watched a Reddit user spend $2,400 on Facebook ads and they got zero paying customer. And you may be running a Facebook ad, but you're not able to convert those warm leads into paying customers. The reason is not bad quality leads. The reason is you don't have a system that can convert those warm leads into a closed paying customer. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly can you do that. Now, before we dive in, here's a quick heads up. This is a video 1 in a 5-part series, and I'm automating an entire restaurant business. And we're talking about Facebook ads, table booking system, menu ordering chatbot, review and reputation management, as well as customer reactivation system. So if you're a restaurant owner who's tired of doing everything manually, hit subscribe, because by the end of this month, you'll have the entire business automated just by watching my videos. Alright, let's fix your Facebook lead problem. Here's what's killing your business. When someone finds your ad on Facebook, they'll click on it, they'll fill out a form where they can enter the phone number and their details, but then what? Nothing really happens. And here's the thing, data shows if you don't message that lead within 5 minutes, the conversion rate drops by 80%. So now you may be thinking that, alright, you're gonna start responding faster. But think about it, you are getting hundreds or even thousands of leads every single day. So you cannot get yourself stuck 24/7 to the phone just responding to a stranger as soon as they click on your ad, right? So you need a system, you need a robust system that can automatically send out these messages to your leads as soon as they fill out the form. So now we need to build a system that can do everything that we've been discussing automatically. Here's the flow of the entire system. The stranger will find your ad, will click on it and will enter the details. As soon as a stranger does that, the entire details are getting stored into a CRM and that lead has been marked as warm lead, right? Now, as soon as the lead has marked as a warm lead, we will start sending them a WhatsApp message. So as soon as they fill out the form, we will send them a one message that, hey, thanks for filling out this form. How can we help you? Right? And if they do not respond to our WhatsApp message, just after 1 hour, we will send them another message that, hey, I think you missed our message. We just wanted to ask you, how can you help you? Something like this. Next can be, even if they don't even respond, then we can again follow up with them after 1 day, right? So we have this entire follow-up system and we have an immediate response system together to convert this warm lead into a paying customer. And to do this, we need only 3 simple things. One is your Facebook ads, second is your WhatsApp business API, and third is your Go High Level. Now, why Go High Level? Well, because it does everything in a single place. So you have CRM, you have automation platforms, and it can also connect to your Facebook ads and can also connect to your WhatsApp business API all in a single platform. So Go High Level will be the one thing that will be connecting everything together, and we are also going to be using Go High Level as the main CRM here as well. But of course, you can use any other platform as well. Now, since we're using Go High Level, there's one more benefit. So all the systems that I'll be creating in this video, I can create a snapshot of it and I can easily give you access for it. So if you go to the description of this video, you'll find the snapshot link. You can just download it and you can import it to your Go High Level account. Now, if you don't have a Go High Level account, check out the description as well. I have a referral link. So instead of a 14-day trial, you'll get a 30-day trial if you use the link below. All right. So since we have everything set up, let's start building this thing. Alright, so let's see a quick demo. I've actually made an entire Facebook ad live and I'll be sharing my screen so that you can also follow along. As soon as I click on sign up, you can see I have the entire details. So what are you interested in? I'm interested in table reservation, right? I'm just gonna enter my name, that is Prakarsh. I'll enter my email. I also have the phone number right here. I'm just gonna click on continue and just gonna click on submit. Now in a few seconds, I should be getting a WhatsApp message from the entire automation. And as you can already see, I got a WhatsApp message. When I click on it, you can see that I have a message on the bottom of my screen, which simply says, hey, Prakash Gupta, thank you for reaching out to Empire Grill House for table reservation. We have received a request. How can we assist you today? So this basically shows that as soon as I filled out the form, I have automatically gotten the message. Now, if I do not respond to this message for 1 hour, I will get the second message, and after 1 day, I will get the third message. You can see on the top of the screen, there are other messages mentioned as well. All right, so anyone who fills out the form will get these type of messages with their own name automatically until they respond to us, right? Now let's see how this is actually happening. I'm just gonna go over to my Go High Level account and you can see that I do have a few contacts, I do have a few opportunities. In the opportunity section, you can see that I have a few leads mentioned. So you can see that my name has been put into waiting for response. So you already know that it has sent me a message and it is waiting for me to respond. If I do not respond after some time, it's gonna put me in the dead lead section. And if my WhatsApp number was incorrect, then it would have put in me into this invalid number. Now, what is happening under the hood is this is an automation that I've made with the name of Facebook ads to WhatsApp follow-ups. When I click on it, you can see that it has an entire detailed flow mapped out for a customer journey. So as soon as someone fills out the form, the same form that I showed you right now, uh, as soon as they fill out the form, we give them a tag. So we will say that this is a Facebook lead, and then we mark them as an opportunity. So those new numbers will be then sent as a new lead section. Then we send out our first message right here. So this is the first WhatsApp message that we're sending, and we have selected out a template here as well. So this is the welcome message template that I've selected here. I've selected my WhatsApp number, what is the action name, and this is how the template look like. Hey, the name of the contact. Thank you for reaching out to Empire Grill House for what is the reason that this lead is interested in, and then we've received a request. How can we assist you today? And then we have this entire system that I've created for customer journey automation. And I'll quickly walk you through it. You don't have to make it from scratch because everything is in the link of the description. So you can download the snapshot and it will be very easy for you to move ahead. So as soon as I send out the first message, two of the things can actually happen. One is the message may get delivered or the message may not get delivered. So we are handling both of the scenarios. If the message did not get delivered, that basically means the number has some issues. So that is an incorrect number. What we need to do is we need to add a tag here. We basically says this is an invalid number. We add this tag and then we mark this as an opportunity and we say this is an invalid number. So if I quickly show you, so in the opportunity section, you can see that we have a column called invalid number. This basically means any number that is being put it into the form, if that we are not able to send out a WhatsApp message, that is an invalid number and we remove it from the flow simply. So that's what we do here. And if the message gets delivered, then we mark the message as WhatsApp delivered, right? We mark the opportunity as waiting for response, just like in my scenario. And then we are waiting for 15 minutes. So if we do not respond till 15 minutes, I'm gonna again get a message. So it's gonna wait for 15 minutes. If nothing happens, it's gonna put me into this other funnel. But if I respond to that message, then what happens is it's gonna add a tag that I have replied automatically. It's gonna put a tag that I have replied, and it's gonna put me into another stage that is engaged. So you can see here there is the pipeline looks like new lead, waiting for response, engaged, dead lead, and invalid number. If I do not respond, it's gonna put me into waiting for response again. It's gonna do the first follow-up. So if you just see here, yeah, follow-up reminder message here that simply says, hey, Prakash, just checking in. Are you still interested in dining at Empire Grill House? I'd be happy to help you with availability and all. Right. And then I put up a tag that I have sent out first follow-up. The tag is basically a history of what I've done with the user so that in future I can easily reference all these details. Then I'm waiting for 1 day, right? I'll wait for 1 day. And if I do respond, again, the same thing happens. It's going to say I have replied and it's going to put me into the engaged section. If I do not, it's going to send me the second follow-up, put out the tag, and then again gonna wait for 1 more day. Then it's gonna, if I do respond to it, well and good. If I do not, it's gonna mark me as a dead lead because we have done enough follow-ups and we want to mark that lead as dead lead. Right. So this is the entire customer journey that I've mapped out in Go High Level. Now, just it's not just that. Um, Now, of course, to build this entire thing, you have to do a few things. You need to connect your Facebook page to Go High Level. So I'll just quickly show you how you can do that. On the settings tab, you just need to go to integrations. And here you can see that we have a tab called Facebook and Instagram tab, right? And I've already linked up my page. But if you have not done that, there should be a connect here button and you can just simply connect here. And you can see I have one page that is mentioned, small group, and this is the main account that I've already linked, right? I have a button called manage pages, so I can simply delete it if I want to, and everything, all these things I can do it right here. So this is the go high level part that I wanted to mention, that you need to connect your Facebook page and then you need to create this one automation that will be linked in the description of the video. Right. So we have this, you can see that this form, you'll only be able to see your Facebook page here if you have connected it over the integrations tab. And once you have done that, you'll have to link your form here. So you can see that it says what is the form, and I've linked up my form. So if I'll quickly show you over the ads manager. So this is the ad that I've created. You already know that this is how it looks like. What I've done is I have added a form. So there is an instant form section into our Facebook ad page, and I've added a form here. And you can just click on create form to create a form, and you can just enter all the details. So it's what are the questions that you want to ask, and what should happen after the end. So this is how you can create a form on Facebook. So I've created one. I'm just gonna close this up. All right, so I've created this form and I've linked it to the current ad. So as soon as someone sees that, there will be a button called sign up. When someone clicks on it, it will take them to the form. And once they fill out the form, those entire leads will be then forwarded into this particular automation. Right. So what we have covered is we have covered go high level automation. We have also covered our Facebook ad to go high level integration. Now there is one more thing that we haven't covered yet, that is WhatsApp business API. So if you see this WhatsApp node, I have linked up my current number into this particular node, and you can just see it right here. Right. So you can see that this is the number that I've added, and we have created these templates. So now let's understand how can you do that for yourself. I'm just going to go back to go high level, and I'm going to go back to settings. Under settings, you can see that there's a WhatsApp tab right here. You just need to go to WhatsApp tab, and there should be a button right here which says connect. Simple. If you don't see that, that's okay. You just have to connect your Facebook account. When you have connected the Facebook account, you will get this page which will be empty for you. Just click on add number, and whatever number that you own, you can just put in here. So in my case, I actually bought a Twilio number and I'll put it here, and I just asked it to proceed to verify. So for example, if this is a number and I want to add it here, it's gonna ask me for the number here. I'm just gonna say, and let's change up a few digits. As soon as I click on proceed to verify, it's gonna send an OTP. I just have to put the OTP right here, and then the WhatsApp profile will be generated, right? So it says verify through text message or verify through call. If I go through verify through text message, I'll just have to enter an OTP. As soon as I do that, it's going to create a WhatsApp business profile for me, and it will be linked here. So you can see this is currently in review. Actually, this is currently pending. I'll just delete it because this is not my real number. Confirm deleted. Right, I'll delete it from here as well. And you can see that I'm also on Meta Business Manager, and under Meta Business Manager, I'm in WhatsApp Manager. All right, so this is the number that you already see, which is active on my current Go High Level account. If I quickly reload it, you will see the one number that is active. And through this number only, I'm sending out these messages. So this is the entire thing that we've created. We have covered Go High Level automation. We have covered Go High Level pipeline. We have covered connecting Facebook ad to Go High Level account. Then we have also covered using WhatsApp Business API. Right, and meanwhile you can also see that I have gotten the second message since I have not responded, and it simply says, hi Prakash, just checking in, are you still interested? Now if I do respond to it, I wanted to show you a few things. Now you can parallelly see that this is my contact and it is currently in wait stage, and you can see that we have sent them a follow-up message that is for, and we have also added this follow-up tag. Right. So if I just show you my contact right now. Now also remember we have gotten the first follow-up. So there should be a tag that says first follow-up sent. I'll go back to workflows, contacts, and under Prakash Gupta, you can already see that we have added a tag called follow-up one sent. And I can quickly see all the messages that have been sent, right? So hey Prakash Gupta, thank you for reaching out, and then the follow-up message. Now, if I respond to the WhatsApp message right now, you can see my screen again. So I have responded and I can see the message right here as well. Now, what this will do is it will move me to another stage. The automation will move me to another stage. Now, let's see if that actually happened or not. I'm going to go back to opportunities section, and you can already see that my contact has been moved to engaged stage, and this happened automatically. So from the stage, I filled out the form. It put me into a new lead section. Then it sent me a first message. So it put me into the waiting for response section. It sent me another follow-up, and after that I responded, so it put me into the engaged section. So now we have the entire detail of the contact as well. And if I just quickly show you, on the tag section it says Facebook lead, WhatsApp has been delivered, first follow-up was also sent, and then I have replied. So these four tags simply signifies what was my history. So now my agents can easily track what this contact had done. And that's it. You now have an automated system that can convert any stranger who clicks on your ad to a paying customer into your restaurant. Now, just to remind you, this is video 1 of 5. Next week, I'll be automating an entire table booking system as well as reminders. So it will be a chatbot plus voice agent that can communicate with a table booking system that you can use in your restaurant. And as soon as someone reserves your table, they will also get timely reminders so that you can cut no shows by almost 50%. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you do it now. You don't want to miss it out. And the snapshot for the entire automation that we built today, well, it's in the description of this video. Just go check it out and plug into your high level account and you're good to go. Alright, see you next week.